Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir and Rajamouli sir are watching this. Please cast her. Actors, now let's move on to calling the Malayalam host. I'm so excited because she's one of my favorite hosts. I've seen a lot of her, television reality shows. With all the pride in my heart, I'd like to call upon the beautiful Parle Mane and Sudev Nair, the hosts of Malayalam, onto the stage. Hello Sudev, honey, welcome. I'm going to give you a hug. Doing good, and I don't have to ask you how are you, you're just glowing. That's not just the light. Stop being so humble, huh?
It is the light.
It is the light, you're glowing too.
As a man, you shouldn't say that. You have to say she is glowing. Are you married?
I am.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
I'll
why he's
teach you a
being
few
honest.
compliments, huh?
That's why he's like being honest.
I've got a list
Until he
of
got
warnings.
married, he told me I'm not glowing. Now he tells every woman that they are glowing.
Listen, by the time this show gets over, I'll teach him a few compliments.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, but because I've got a list of warnings already from home. So.
Oh, okay, home department. I'm not gonna get there. Pearlie, let's start with you. I've seen you host, all the Malayalam fans of you, they're always excited when you host, and you've hosted previously. And right now, again, you're representing the pan-Indian cinema across the world. Tell me the responsibility on you and how excited are you?
I'm really excited. First of all, good evening everyone, everybody who's gathered here to celebrate this beautiful day. Just wanted to let you all know that we are all excited, equally excited to be back in this family where we celebrate not just cinema but friendship, I think. That process goes beyond borders of language. And I think this is one of the platforms where people from various languages get to meet each other. Like he mentioned, we get to network. And also, I would say this is a huge possibility for people like us who want to act in movies now. So we have a few scripts ready and our agents will be with us during...
Speak for yourself, Pearlie, I'm already acting in movies.
Edda, you need heroine, na? His nails and
I like this chemistry. Continue.
So the thing is, so if you want to network, please come to Abu Dhabi. Yeah.
But can you also talk a little bit in Malayalam? Malayalam, korachu, I just...
കുറയ്ക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. So if I speak in Malayalam, nobody will understand.
But
So
the
that's
media
why.
is there, the press is also there.
The press will only press with me. Does anybody understand Malayalam here?
See that?
Okay, so മലയാളത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ഒരു കാര്യം പറയാം. ഐഫ ഉത്സവത്തിൽ ഇതെന്റെ 7ാമത്തെ വർഷം, 7 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വി ആർ കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ 2 പ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ ആങ്കർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഐ തിങ്ക് അബുദാബിയുടെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇറ്റ്സ് ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഹാപ്പനിങ് പ്ലേസ് എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. ദുബായ്, അബുദാബി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പനിങ് സ്ഥലമാണ്. ആൻഡ് അവിടെ നമ്മുടെ കുറേ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. മലയാളികൾക്ക് അതൊരു സെക്കൻഡ് എന്താ പറയുക നേറ്റീവ് പോലെയാണ് അല്ലേ? What do you have to say about Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to going to Abu Dhabi because പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ അവിടെ നമുക്ക് മലയാളം അറിയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ജീവിച്ചു പോവാം.
Why are you looking forward to go to Abu Dhabi? Is it for IFA also or something else?
It's for IFA, and what I've been told, if you know Malayalam, you can make a good living there.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. Ms. Ahmed here couldn't disagree with that. Sorry, Mohammed here. Go for it, yeah.
You can keep cracking such jokes. He likes Aces phones.
You don't think I already planned all of that?
Yeah.
Hey, do you guys know you're not talking with each other, but there's mics in front of you?
This is our technique. Rana has different technique. We have the subtle technique.
Yeah, we are subtle from
We are like
Malayalam. Telugu is loud and we are
Malayalis are very subtle.
Telugu is loud and Malayalam
So
is
in
very-
Tamil, in Malayalam,
She's doing some audition and I'm sure Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir and Rajamouli sir are watching this. Please cast her.
thank you.
Yeah, and if they cast you, I'll come as your assistant.
Yeah, sure.
I want to sing a song for you, one line. In the pen, Chimniki Kamal.
That's old, da. Like 7 years back only that.
Really? 7 years is old to you?
Yeah.
I'm a 90s kid. I like old school.
Okay, so please sing that song for me.
In the pen, Chimniki Kamal. In the pen, Kankunde Poya.
Oh, please don't sing it.
Sorry. Don't lyrics,
You're
right?
gonna troll her now or in Dubai? Like, Where do you want to?
We'll do it in Abu Dhabi.
We wanted to keep it subtle today. Like we're just not showing much. This
You
is
want to tell anything to the Malayalam audience there and the pan-Indian cinema lovers out there about your hosting, about your experience, about upcoming IFA Utsavam and about Abu Dhabi? Go for it.
So what were we saying till now?
To the fans and the media.
We are talking to them only, na? Till
Yeah.
now. Yeah. So now again we have to say the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Basically-
please come to Abu Dhabi, book your tickets, otherwise they won't let you in. So without tickets, don't come. And if you don't have budget, you can call this girl. She's got a lot of money. She'll book your tickets.
And if you know Malayalam, definitely come.
That people are liking that. Like,
Yes,
so yeah. So also I think once again you need to understand this is not going to be a formal award function. It's going to be a fun award function. That's
More than
what I
subtle,
feel.
right? Not subtle, more than subtle.
More than subtle. We're just kidding. We're going to be all out. Right now we're working on the scripts on what to speak. And I'm so happy that we have people like Kushbu ma'am sitting here. I've met her for all award functions. She's literally glowing. What do you have to say about
It's
Ma'am,
the-
cast her in a movie, ma'am. She's doing all the audition, all the performance. Please cast her. Okay, now off the syllabus, I have a question for Mr. Sudeep here. Listen, are you making this muscles and body for IFA Utsavam because you're on the stage, or to protect yourself from your
Actually,
DSP knows it.
It's my preparation for my next movie role.
Oh, next movie role.
Like I
He's
said,
a
I
Kerala
already-
State Award winner for the best actor.
This is my
Please
first.
give him a
Give a huge round of applause for the best actor.
So it's his first time as an anchor, as a co-host. It's the first time.
I've never ever hosted anything. The last thing I hosted was my birthday party when I was 10. And that was a big flop, so.
It was a big flop.
Yeah, it was
We'll talk about
birthday.
it later.
So
Yeah.
I am here to learn from Master G, who has been doing this for about 148 years.
Where is he? Master? No,
That's
me.
you. That's you.
Okay, then again, next flop. No, sorry, please book your tickets. Book your tickets. Okay, Simran ma'am, I love you. Just wanted to say, I actually came here to check out all the celebrities, click photos with them,
Yeah.
gain more likes on Instagram. Actually, that's why I came.
यार,
Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
इतना भी ऑनेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए मतलब क्या
Sorry, we are subtle. We are very
This is not
realistic.
subtle, this is unfiltered.
Yeah. Haven't you watched Malayalam movies? Very, very real. Very
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wow, so far we have done 3 languages and I can see it's gonna be a blast in Abu Dhabi. Everybody.
No blast, guys. Please don't think like that. Very safe. What are you?
I'm zipping my mouth now because
Yeah.
Sabas is gonna send me out from here.
No.
Thank you very much. I'll take
No
the
blast,
mic.
guys. Please blast. Okay. Thank you, guys. Simran ji, I love you.
But the mic is mine. Stairs is yours. I'm not hugging you. I'm not hugging a man. Fabulous host, co-host of Malayalam IFA Utsavam, ladies and gentlemen. Huge round of applause for Perle and Sudeep Nair here, actor who's now turning into host. Looking forward for this wonderful, brilliant combination.